Moorddrift Dairy is producing a wide variety of dairy products on a daily basis. Every day, countless people start their day with the fresh and healthy products of Moorddrift Dairy. Used in the early morning coffee, bowl of cereals, or a glass of energizing pure milk. South African milk is produced mainly by 4 cow breeds. The milk of every different breed has its own characteristics. So let us take you to where it all starts, here in the highlands of Mpumalanga. High quality milk starts with high quality feeding. Grass is only the first building block of a balanced feeding program these cows have at their disposal to produce the finest raw milk. One of the most important decisions a modern dairy farmer has to make is to choose the right breed of cow best adapted to the circumstances on his farm. This farmer chose a fully registered Holstein herd and has been producing top quality milk for the last 20 years. Selective breeding is used to keep the herd on the highest standard possible. No matter how idyllic the previous scenes may seem, the modern dairy industry is a complex and highly specialized business. Successful dairy farmers implement the latest technology and skills to maximize and optimize the milk productions on their farm. The traditional image of a farm worker milking the cow by hand is not a part of the modern dairy farm anymore. Computerized milking machines are making the process faster and more hygienic. Cleanliness is of the utmost importance throughout the whole milking process. A dairy cow is conditioned to react to stimulation to release her milk. The responsible hormone is oxytocin. This hormone causes the letdown effect, resulting in releasing her milk. The effect of the letdown reflex gradually fades away as the hormone is diluted and decomposed in the bloodstream, disappearing after 5 to 8 minutes. Milking should therefore be completed within this period of time. An average cow delivers 20 to 30 liters of milk per day, depending on her lactation stadium. Milking is done by a milking machine. This clever machine simulates the drinking technique of a calf by applying and releasing vacuum in the teat cups. The milk is then led through a system of filters, pipes and collectors to eventually be pumped in the cooled holding tank in the milk room. These come in a variety of sizes with built-in cooling equipment. Large volumes of milk must be chilled quickly from 37 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. After milking, the udders are treated with a disinfectant solution to prevent bacteria entering the udder, causing inflammation. Before loading, the raw milk temperature is checked by the driver. Then a sample of the milk is taken and examined to ensure that the milk is still fresh and ready to be pumped into the tanker. When the driver is satisfied, he will load the milk and leave for the Moorddrift Dairy plant for further processing of the milk. Moorddrift uses insulated tankers with a capacity of 50,000 liters to bring in the raw milk from selected dairy farmers on a daily basis. At the Moorddrift premises, further tests are carried out to ensure the raw milk is still fresh. The temperature is checked again and a new sample is taken for further analysis in the Moorddrift laboratory. The raw milk is kept cool in the holding tanks while waiting to be processed. Moorddrift has very recently invested in the newest technology and machinery and boasts now with one of the most modern dairy processing plants in the country. Cleanliness is of course the #1 priority at the plant. After unloading, the raw milk is processed in different steps to enhance the quality and to increase the tenability of the milk. Processes used are clarification, standardization, homogenization, and pasteurization. Most heat treatment of dairy products is carried out in plate heat exchangers. The frame contains several separated plate packs in which different stages of treatment such as preheating, final heating and cooling takes place. The clarification and standardization process is done in the so-called Centrifugal Separator. The separation process takes care of removing high-density solid impurities like straws and hairs, other cells, bacteria and many more. The separator also takes care of skimming the milk. A computerized system takes care of rerouting and remixing the cream with an adequate amount of skim milk. This process is known as standardization. Homogenization is the process of breaking up the large fat particles into small fat particles. The effect of homogenization on the physical structure of milk has many advantages. The pasteurization process involves heating the milk to 74 degrees Celsius and then quickly cooling it down to 4 degrees. This process prevents the growth of bacteria and increases the tenability of the milk without affecting the flavor and nutritional value of the milk. This test is used to check that the milk has been properly pasteurized before further processing of the milk is allowed. The milk is now ready to be further processed into a variety of tasteful, nutritious and healthy Moorddrift products. If we take out the cream from full cream milk, the low-fat milk that remains has just about the same nutritional value as the full cream milk, but contains less fat. Cream can be used in cakes and sauces or can be poured over puddings. Milk can also be processed in different ways to create new products. Flavored milk can be made of low-fat or full cream milk by adding flavors and sugar. Yogurt is processed by adding a culture to milk to make a healthy, tasteful product with the same nutritional value as milk. Because of the automated filling process, contamination of the Moorddrift dairy products is impossible. You, as the customer, are thus ensured of a healthy product. Yogurt is easy to digest and sometimes prescribed to patients with intestinal problems because of the helpful A and B cultures found in yogurt. Another new product line of Moorddrift products is fruit juices. There are 3 varieties: pure with added water and dairy juice. 4 generations of Smithmen are or were involved in building Moorddrift Dairy to being the leading independent dairy in the Limpopo province. Every day, fresh raw milk is entering the plant, and every day, fresh dairy products are leaving through a wide distribution network in the province. A team of professional and highly trained people are running the Moorddrift office with an ever-friendly client service. Moorddrift offers a wide variety of dairy products: milk, yogurt, cream, mass and juices, and supplies to all the major chain stores. Moorddrift, daily, delicious dairy made with dedication.